Hello and welcome to another episode of What the Heck Are We Doing at Minnesota Implement. This here is an old Uni-mount Western snowplow for a pickup truck. The client's truck that this was attached to died, and they wanted to put the plow onto a skid steer, but they weren't sure if they were ever going to be putting it back to use on a truck or not, so they didn't want heavy modification done to the plow. So they wanted us to make a faceplate for them that could put the truck plow onto a skid steer, and they really liked our floating mechanism that we do on our actual product line. So we made a hybrid of our floating snowplow mount for the truck plow, so that they could use their truck plow on the skid steer. So this is the same toggle setup that we use on our floating snowplows. And then an adaptation to put it onto the Western plow. So like I say, they didn't want a lot of modifications done to their plow, so the only modification that we've done here is putting these braces in here. You can see this original channel with that bolt right here. That's where your chain goes up to your lifting mechanism on the Western plow. Well, that's designed for a straight vertical lift, and obviously our mechanism was pulling it backward. So we had to put these plates in here in order to hold the backward pull so it wouldn't bend this bracket. So the nice thing is this makes a very shippable modification setup. So if you've got a Uni-mount snowplow, we can actually put this setup onto a pallet and ship it to you. And all you got to do is get a local shop to weld those two plates in there, and you're good to go. So like I say, this is an adaptation of our regular floating plow. So we've got our crossover valve in there with the line and coupler set for the skid steer. To float it, you just pull this pin, and then the faceplate can tip. So the only weak point on this setup is the fact that this whole mess toggles on this 3/8 bolt. So that is a grade 8 bolt. It'll take a lot of load. But obviously we've got 3/4 inch pins there, 1 inch pins down here, and everything hangs on that 3/8 bolt. So you want to keep an eye on that 3/8 bolt so that it, as it wears, you replace it. So like once a season, throw the bolt away and put a new bolt in there. We debated on boring that out and putting a larger pin in there, but the problem would be if you go back to put a chain on it, now you've got a big ass hole that your bolt is going to fall through. So we're better off staying with the small bolt, and you just count that as part of your regular maintenance. But like I say, this is one of the things that we can do because we're a little bit smaller shop. We can do your custom builds to fit your needs. So in this case, obviously this plow isn't in real great shape, but hey, they just need to get 3-4 years of use out of it plowing their personal driveway. It'll be just fine, you know. So we're Minnesota Implement. Feel free to check out our website, minnesotaimplement.com, and check out our other videos on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. Thank you for watching.